Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTS 2E and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Once you have the battery charged above the 30%, we can continue, and now you will need to wake up the screen on your watch or turn it on. If you need to turn it on, you will need to press and hold the side button and keep holding it until you see the Amazfit logo on the screen, and then you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. And if you need to wake up the screen on the watch, you can simply press the side button like this. And after you turn on the watch or wake up the screen, you should see the watch face. Once you see the watch face, you can press the side button again to open the menu, like this. Now we can scroll down through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, we need to scroll down, find the option called the system and tap on it. And here, scroll down, find the option called factory reset, select it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. Basically, if you confirm and start the resetting process, it will remove all of your data from the watch, so be aware of that. So let's tap on the check mark, and now let's wait until the factory reset is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.